Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open the Happy Meal Beetle Borg from 1997. Here's number one. It's called the Beetle Bonder. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. There it is. Looks like a little beetle. Yeah. Black and silver. Oh, there's a red button. What happens if we push that button? Well, let's look at it. There's an underside. Push that button. Whoa, wings pop up. Look at the battle bots there. Mean looking. The wings fold back. Here's number two. This is the Gold Compact. Let's open her up. Oh, this looks like a flyer from the maker. Shows a lot of the other toys they make. They make some Transformers there. They make a lot of stuff. May have to look into this. Well, here's the Gold Compact. That's a nice little necklace thing hanging down. That's pretty nice looking. Look at that gold. Wow. I see it opens up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, nice little 3D picture. You move that back and forth and it changes the picture. I like that. Close her back down. There's the strings. Number three, the Hunter Claw. Let's open him up and see what it's like. Whoa, this one looks dangerous. Looks like he could get you. Nice little beetle. This opens up, yeah. Not sure what that is inside, but there it is. There's an arm on the side. We push that, it closes up his claws. Alright. Here's number four. This is the Purple Compact. Let's open her up. Oh yeah. Purple. It looks like a mask. I see it opens up. There's a clip. Looks like it goes on a pocket. It opens up. Looks like maybe another 3D picture. Not sure what that picture is. There's your beetle. Looks like a mask on it. Number five, the Stinger Drill. Cut, cut, cut. Oh, it's a drill. Turn the handle. Hear it? Sounds like he's drilling. Alright, the Stinger Drill. Number six, the Silver Compact. Let's cut this one open. Oh yeah, it looks like a bracelet. It also looks like a mask, a helmet maybe. See the bracelet? It's adjustable to fit different arm sizes. It opens up. Pop. Come on, open up. There we go. Another one of your 3D pictures. It changes as you move it. I like those pictures. Well, that's the Silver Compact. Here we are, all of them together. By the way, we have more of these coming. Stay with us. More Happy Meals will open. There they are. Thanks for joining us.